Magandang buhay po sa inyong lahat. This is Roberto from the USA. 2024 Paris Olympic opening ceremony starts in 24 hours. But today, we will profile Carlos Yulo, Filipino gymnast. And bago ang lahat, maraming salamat po to all my new subscribers. Unfortunately, I needed more, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Carlos Yulo was born on February 16, year 2000. Pinanganak si Carlos Yulo at lumaki sa Leverisa Street, Malate, Manila. Pangalawa siya sa apat na magkakapatid. Ang ina ay homemaker, ang ama naman ay travel agent. Pero tunghayan po natin ang golden performance ni Carlos Yolo. Let's go!
Tanagawa just did.